FluoRender tutorial. Loading Z section and channel stacks. New features in FluoRender now allow more flexible naming formats of image stacks. Let us have a look at the settings by loading an example scan. In the Open File dialog, settings for image stacks include: read file numbers as Z sections, read file numbers as channels, and digit order. When we select a Z section without checking any option, it loads the selected Z section only. Here, it is a single section of one channel. We delete the section and try a different option. When read file numbers as Z sections is checked, one stack of all Z sections is loaded. Here, we see that it is a 3D stack of one channel. When we only check read file numbers as channels, it loads one slice from each channel of this two-channel dataset. Also notice the file names of the slices, which have channel numbers first, and then the slice numbers. Here, we see that a single slice of both channels is loaded. Finally, to load both Z stacks of the two channels, check both options. Also make sure the choice of the digit order matches the file names. These file names have channel digits before the Z sections. The result shows that two channels of Z stacks are loaded correctly.